Good morning. My name is Bongane Makwakwa, Chief Executive Officer of M2 Engineering Academy. Here we are training truck drivers in a program funded by Transport SETA, or Transport Education and Training Authority. We are training 25 young people under the age of 35. One of the things that we wanted to achieve with the program was to prepare young people from an early age so that they are employable by the trucking industry. We do that by training them for a period of 3 years. 1 year, we train them on a simulator like this. We take them to a driving school. They drive the truck. They are trained on advanced driving. They are trained on defensive driving. They are trained on a number of activities that takes place in a truck. Because of the impact that this program has, more and more young people, especially females, can benefit greatly in this program, as long as there's funding available, which is one of the things that we are working on as an entity. As part of the program and the implementation of the program, we have partnered with quite a few entities. These entities, some of them provide trucks for these young people to be trained on. Some of them provide the space for the experiential learning, which is essentially 70% of the trucking space. So by the time this individual leaves our training center, they would have acquired the knowledge of driving, they would have acquired the knowledge of how to behave in a workplace. But as I close, one of the things that makes me proud about this particular program is that it's been running now for close to 2 years, and already we have 10 of our young people that are already employed by one of the trucking companies. Later on, we're going to meet these young people and understand some of the advantages and some of the benefits they have by being trained at M2 Engineering. M2 Engineering, we are so eager to learn.
My name is JP Mlangeni, the chairman of M2 Engineering Training Academy. With over 30 years in this sector as a truck owner and industry player, I've seen the challenges caused by a lack of proper training. The M2 Engineering Academy, we bridge that gap by equipping drivers with real-world skills through advanced simulators and hands-on training. The impact is clear. Many of our learners are already working and earning while they trained. Thanks to industry partners like TITA and Mercedes-Benz Makati Bunene, we are not just creating jobs, we are strengthening the transport sector for South Africa and the broader SADC region as a whole.
Okokuqala kufanele wenze i-pre-inspection. After i-pre-inspection, wenze isiqiniseko sokuthi uyazifamiliarize nama-controls wonke akhona. So njengoba bese ngishizo-ke, manje ngizocela ukuthi ugibele etruckini bese uyahamba ngale ndlela ebesichaza ngayo.
Hi everyone, I'm Thomas Moyo, known as Temba. I'm the General Manager of today's destiny. We're participating in with M2 Engineering on the upliftment of our people. We've enrolled 10 students from M2 Engineering. We're busy with them, training them or showing them the ins and outs of the business. We're actually doing practicals. In no time, sooner than we think, the student will start operating the trucks on their own. We're hoping that M2 Engineering will provide us with more students. We're very happy with how the program is progressing, because M2 Engineering is producing one of the most disciplined drivers we've seen in our lifetime. So in short, I'm just inviting you, all logistic companies, to actually be involved, actively involved in this program. Is very beneficial because things like accidents, the vandalizing of trucks, cleanliness of the truck, all those students, they come with that discipline. Thank you very much to M2 Engineering, and hope that our fellow companies in logistics will get involved in this program. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Delcy Patricia Nkuna from Emalahleni.
My name is Sipiso Matabela.
I'm so happy about the opportunity that we've got from M2 Engineering.
Which is truck driving.
Especially because it's in Sibantu besifazane. Most of our truck drivers are males. So Tina, we are very happy and privileged to have this opportunity, especially kule industry logistics.
So we have learned advanced driving and then defensive driving. Also, there's a stimulator there by M2 Engineering where we learn more about trucks and how they operate.
This is a lifetime opportunity, and we hope next time when this post comes back, if ama-females azoba maningi, sidlumzila thina sibantu besifazane siyabonga.
And I just want to thank M2 Engineering for the opportunity, also Tita and Today's Destiny for giving me this opportunity.
G'day, Peter van Dijk, Patrice McCarthy Kunene. Being part of a dedicated sales team in Witbank, we know that the challenges of the transport industry is road safety, and we know that the logistics and transport industry is the backbone of our economy. That's why we'd like to support this initiative of M2 Engineering Academy, and it's a great initiative, but we can't wait to get upskilled drivers and new vacancies. So let's do it.
Truck driving for us is an important qualification that remains the top qualifications in the industry for transport that are in demand.
Driver training from an RTMS point of view is a very, very, very important part of improving safety and also improving productivity.